No, you have to go back over there with your mom.
I'm gonna have to remember to bring in the cable.
Head in her mouth.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Just so gentle, though. Yeah. You share out with her? You share out? That's what makes it worthwhile. Watching this. Mommy beating up a baby. Is that gentle? No, you can't. There's nothing in there.
There's nothing in there anymore. She definitely knows, though.
Knows, right?
I don't think she would have been that gentle if it wasn't her puppy, to be honest.
And excited.
Yeah.
And playful and just... And the puppy's just totally loving us.
Oh, yeah.
And we do... Anything versus
Just smack her.
Smack her right there. Pick her up. Wow, that's some long record time you got on it.
I can keep going. I have I did 2 or a 4 gig card on this thing. I can record forever. I'll take a break now.